Go full face in makeup using only tube or stick packaging. Well, if you guys can't tell, I have over $100,000 worth of makeup behind me. So let's pick out a full face in makeup with only tube or stick packaging. Moving right in, remember everything has to be a tube or a stick. So we're gonna start up here with primer. I feel like the best option is gonna be this Milk Cooling Stick right here. For all of our foundation options, we have so many, but I of course am gonna pick a stick foundation. I feel like that's just obvious. We're gonna go in with the LYS sticks. I love these. For cream contour, most contours come in a stick, so I feel like this is pretty easy. Let's see, we have a few good options. We're gonna grab the Fenty contour stick, and then we're gonna grab these new skinny Morphe ones to contour our nose. For cream blush, my favorite drawer, we have so many options, and there's a lot of stick cream blushes, but I just recently got these new ones from NARS, and I've been dying to try them. Being right up here to concealer, again, most concealers come in a tube or a stick, so this won't be that hard. I'm gonna go in with the NARS Creamy Concealer, and I thought this would be much more of a challenge, but we're not done picking it out yet. This is where it turns into a real challenge because I don't have any stick or tube setting powder, so we're gonna have to skip that step. Quickly realizing we can't use blush or bronzer in the powder form because that does not come in tube or stick, so I'm just gonna grab a liquid highlighter to throw on for highlighter. For eyeshadow, we don't have anything in a stick or a tube form, of course, but over here I do have some liquid eyeshadows, and these are technically in a tube, so we're gonna grab a few of these new Makeup by Mario ones. Hopefully all mascaras come in a tube, so we can kind of pick whatever we want. I'm gonna go in with this Rare Beauty one right here in the front. I've been loving her. As I was putting this up there, I just noticed that Flower Nose has these shimmers I have on display right here. I'm also gonna grab this for the eye. Now for our lip combo, I feel like the best tube lip liner I have is gonna be this one from Half Magic right here because it's like a thicker tube, so we're gonna grab that. And then for lip gloss, look at how gorgeous this drawer is. We're gonna go right over here with the new Rem Beauty Sparkly Plumping Glosses. These look so pretty. I've been dying to try them. Last but not least, for setting spray, we have a lot of options, but I'm not sure which one best looks like a tube. I feel like this one right here looks like a skinny tube. This is the Mini Professional from Benefit. We're just gonna sneak her in there. This is my full face of tube or stick packaging makeup. Now, before it all falls down, go to part 2 to see the makeup. Do a full face in makeup using only stick or tube packaging. That is looking super interesting. If you missed part 1 on my page where I picked it out for my at-home Sephora, go check it out now, but let's start the makeup. Right off with primer, we have the Milk Makeup Cooling Stick. This is literally like a jelly stick, you guys. It is so interesting, and it actually makes the face feel super cold. Okay, wait, because I've never had this happen before with that Milk Stick, but it's literally like leaving a bunch of gunk on my face. Stick or tube foundation, we of course had to go in with the stick foundation. This is the LYS Beauty Stick Foundation. I love this. I used to use it all the time. It is such a good foundation. If you want a full coverage stick foundation that doesn't feel too heavy, this will be the girl for you. For contour, I picked up 2 options. I first have the Fenty Beauty Match Stick and then the Morphe Shape Lifter Contour Stick. P1, we're going in with the shade Mocha. I'm gonna put this on the perimeters of the face, and then we're gonna take the Morphe one for the nose because it's skinny and precise. We just recently launched these, and I think they're such a smart invention. This is like perfect for contouring the nose and getting in those small places you really want to be precise to snatch your face. We know and love both of these products, and they blend out like butter. Like, look at how pretty that warms up the face. For cream blush, and the thing I'm probably most excited to try, these are NARS new multi-sticks. They're cream blushes, contours, anything you want to use them for. This is in the shade Bad Habits. It looks so pretty. Go ahead and twist her up and give a good swipe. I'm so excited to see how these perform. Right off the bat, they feel super creamy, and that color looks beautiful. Get off this side and not this side so you guys can see the difference. It is absolutely gorgeous, but if you're a blush girl like me, these are a little less pigmented, so you can definitely build them up. Concealer, we're going in with the NARS Creamy Concealer. This is in a tube, so it counts. I love this concealer. I hate the packaging, but love the formula. How we're looking with all of the creams laid down. It looks stunning so far, yet we are running to a problem now because it's time to move on to setting powder, but there is no setting powder in a stick or a tube. So I guess we're gonna move right on to eyeshadow and be sticking with that glowy, clean girl look. For eyeshadow, we're gonna go in with the new Makeup by Mario liquid eyeshadows because these come in a tube. Grab these 3 nudist shades. I have Chestnut, Espresso, and then Bisque. Let's see what I can come up with. I don't usually use liquid eyeshadow, but I'm gonna try my best. This is what I came with on the eyes. It's honestly really pretty. These are super smooth and super matte. I feel like they peeled a little bit when I tried building them up, but they're cute for like an everyday simple eyeshadow. Really having trouble getting behind this clean girl look with no powder because if you guys know me, my normal makeup routine includes a lot of powder. But anyways, we're just gonna move on to the next step, which is mascara. Every mascara is in a tube, so I could pick whatever one I wanted. I went in with the Rare Beauty mascara because I've really been liking this one lately. It just separates my lashes so nice. The lip liner, we're going in with this double-ended one from Half Magic. I feel like it was the most tube-like lip liner I had. We're gonna go in the center with this new Rem Beauty Plumping Gloss. I've been dying to try them out, so let's just go ahead and see what they give. I don't usually like a plumping gloss, but these look super sparkly on other people, and yeah, look at that shine. Last but not least, for our most tube-like setting spray, we have the Mini Professional from Benefit. I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face in place. And this is my full face in makeup using only stick or tube packaging makeup. Let me know what you guys think down below. I like it, but I feel like it's just a little too greasy and unset for my look. But let me know what you guys think down below and what challenge I should try out next. Love you, bestie.